I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-powered contract review workflow from upload to Slack alerts. We'll walk through creating a user-friendly form, extracting text from PDFs, analyzing risk with AI, structuring the results, logging reviews to a spreadsheet, and alerting your team when a contract looks risky. We'll start by creating the upload form. Add a form trigger node and set the title to Contract Review Upload. Add a file field called Contract PDF and restrict it to .pdf only so you don't get unsupported formats. Include a drop-down named contract type with options for NDA, service agreement, employment contract, licensing agreement, and other. Finally, add an optional notes text area so submitters can provide context. This is the front door for users to send a contract for AI analysis. Next, extract the text from the uploaded PDF. Add a code node after the form. This node reads the uploaded binary, decodes base 64 into text, and pulls out the readable contract content. Make sure the node outputs contract text, contract type, notes, and uploaded at. That prepares clean, usable text for downstream analysis. Now, analyze the contract with AI. Add an AI chain node and write a prompt directing the model to act as a legal contract analyst. Ask it to return structured JSON with fields like overall_risk, risk_score, key_clauses, missing_clauses, summary, auto_renewal, termination_notice_days, liability_cap, and non_compete. Keep the prompt explicit so the output is predictable and easy to parse. Connect the AI model by adding the Google Gemini chat model node. Choose Gemini 1.5 Flash and set the temperature to 0.2 for consistent, low-variance results. Wire this node to the Analyze contract step so Gemini performs the reasoning. After that, parse and structure the AI results. Add a code node to extract the JSON, validate it, and map it into clear fields your workflow can use. Calculate helpful values like high-risk count, total risks, issue risk, reviewed at, and carry forward contract type. This gives you tidy data for logging and alerts. Log every review to a central spreadsheet. Add a Google Sheets node with append or update and connect your sheet. Store the contract type, risk score, summary, high-risk clauses, missing protections, and the review timestamp. This becomes your audit trail. Then, check the risk level with an IF node. If overall risk score is greater than 7, mark the contract as high risk. You can adjust this threshold later to fit your policy. Finally, send a Slack alert for high-risk contracts. Add a Slack node and include the contract type, risk score, favorability score, summary, number of risky clauses, and any missing protections. This ensures your team gets rapid visibility into contracts that need immediate attention.